Hi, in this video I will show you how to solve quadratic equations by graphing. The solutions of a quadratic equations are called the roots of that equation. One method of finding the roots of a quadratic equation is to find the zeros of that equation. Okay, so before we proceed with the sketching of the graph of quadratic equations, we will create the table of values first. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use my mischief. Our quadratic equations is x squared plus 8x is equal to 0. Okay, so obviously a is equal to a is equal to positive 1, b is 8, and c is equal to 0. Okay, with that I can right away get the axis of symmetry. Okay, negative b over 2a, don't forget that. Negative of 8 over 2 times 1. So my axis of symmetry is equal to x is equal to negative 4. Next, I'm going to get the y. Okay, to find out the vertex of the parabola. Okay, so if x is equal to negative 4, my y would be equal to negative 4 square it plus 8 times negative 4. This is negative 16, and this is positive 16, and this is negative 32. So y is equal to negative 16. Okay, so now I know my vertex of the parabola. The vertex is negative 4, negative 16. Okay, but I'm not going to go right away to the sketching. Okay, I will create first the table of values. So let that be my x. This is my y. Okay, my parabola is opening upward. Okay, and I have an axis of symmetry of negative 4, so I'll put the negative 4 right here on the middle, and negative 16 below it, and then I'm going to assign values for x that is greater than negative 4. Let's say negative 1. Okay, I know it is going to go up. So when x is equal to negative 1, y is negative 1 square plus 8 times negative 1. So this is 1, this is negative 8, y is negative 7. Okay, so negative 7, and then when x is 0, I assign 0 value here, y is equal to, obviously it is 0. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the reflections of this point. Okay, the distance between negative 4 and negative 1 is 3 units, so at x is equal to negative 7, y is negative 7. Okay, let's do it here. So if x is negative 7, negative 7 square that is positive 49 plus 8 times negative 7 is negative 56. So negative 56 plus positive 49, negative 7. Okay, so we're doing fine. And from negative 4 to 0, there are 4 units between them. So when x is equal to negative 8, y is equal to 0. Alright, so our I think our table of values is complete, and we could see right here that the solution of, or the zeros, okay, the zeros of the quadratic equations are at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to -8. Those are also the roots of the quadratic equations, and therefore they are the solutions. But just to check out, okay, just to make sure, we're going to make use of a graphing calculator or a graphing application called Desmos. Okay. And we're going to put here x squared plus 8x. Okay, we expect our solution to be at 0 and -8. Okay, so we are correct. Okay, these are the solutions, these are the roots. Okay, this is 0 and 0 0, and this is -8 0. Okay, again, these are the solutions, these are the roots, and these are the zeros of this quadratic equation x squared plus 8x. Okay, that will be all. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up sign and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.